Hello everyone. So now we can calculate 192 multiplied by 198 within just 3 seconds. So how, let us check the steps here. So just check out last two digits 8 and 2. What is the sum of 8 and 2? That is 10. So multiply 8 and 2. What we will get? 16. Very good. So now 19 both are same. So as they are same, multiply with the next number of 19, that is 20. So what is the first step? 1 multiplied by 2, that is 2. So what is the next step? Cross multiplication. 1 into 0, that is equal to 0. 2 into 9, that is equal to 18. 18 plus 0 is 18. And next 9 into 0, that is 0. Write this 0 as it is. So write the 8 as it is. 2 plus 1 is 3. So what I am getting? 380. So this is the answer when we multiply 192 into 198. Okay, so let us solve some other problems. So like 138 into 132. So let us check the last two digits 8 and 2. Again 8 plus 2 is 10. So 8 2s are 16. Very good. So 13 and 13 both are same. So multiply 13 with the next number, that is 14. So 1 1s are 1. And next 1 4s are 4, 1 3s are 3. 4 plus 3 is 7. And next 4 into 3 is 12. So what I will do, this 2 as it is. 7 plus 1 is 8. 0 plus 1 is 1. So what I am getting? 182. So that is the answer. Very simple, right? So let us check one more problem so that you will have some clear idea. Like 174 into 176. 6 plus 4 is 10. So again the same thing, 6 4s are 24. I will write 17. So multiply with the next higher number, that is 18. 1 1s are 1. 1 into 8, 1 into 7. 1 8s are 8. 1 7s are 7. So if we add, we will get 15. And next 7 multiplied with the 8. What we will get? 56. So now here 6 as it is. 15, 5 plus 15. So what I will get? 5 plus 15 means 20 I will get. So in this 20, 0 I will write here. 2 plus 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 306 I got. So here you write 306. Done? Okay. So let us write one more. Let us solve one more problem so that you will have some clear idea. So 183 multiplied by 187. Check out the last two digits. 7 3. 7 plus 3 is 10. 7 3s are 21. So let's write 21. 18 and 18 both are same. So 18 multiplied with the 19. 1 1s are 1. And next 1 9s are 9. 1 8s are 8. So 9 plus 8 is here. What I will get? 17. Done. And next 9 8s are. So what I will get? 72. 2 as it is you write. 7 plus 7 is 14. Or else here you can take 17 plus 7. So what is 17 plus 7? 24. So 24. So 4 you write here. 2 plus 1, that is 2. So what I will get? Sorry, 2 plus 1 is 3, no? Just a minute. 2 plus 1 is 3 here. So what I will get? 342. So just write here 342. So that is the answer when we multiply 183 into 187. Okay, so for complete multiplication tricks, so just check the playlist. So there you will get complete multiplication tricks. So we will meet again. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe.